Emily here. So first of all, excuse me from the mess from the lovely kitten, but I got a Chewy package today, and I got a bunch of stuff for my 2 cats, and then also my dog, and then my Grammy's dog. So I decided to do an unboxing. If anyone is interested in a review, I did order from them once before, and I love the stuff that I got. I got this little cute raccoon, and it makes squeaky noise, and then I also got a snowman that lights up green and it makes squeaky noise, and then I also got a Christmas mouse, and I got a Rudolph mouse, but it looked nothing like the photo, so that was a really a bad sign in a way, but everything was good though. So I really do like this company. They ship in like 2 days. Like legit, you'll get your package in 2 days, so that's what I love about this. So yeah, so I'm gonna open it up. The address is on the front, so I can't really show you guys. I can't open it, but I can open it like this. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff. So since I have a variety of stuff, I decided to show you guys. So the first thing I see in here, so many goodies, is I see this mousse. This is for my Grammy's dog. She has a beagle, so this is perfect size for him. So it's really, really cute, and I think he's gonna like it. It's really cute, and it even streaks, so it's really cute. And then I got this for my dog. She's a bigger kind of size dog, so I got her a bigger mousse, and I just think this mousse is super cute. They also have a Christmas one, like a female Go Rosen. It's like red, the antlers are red, but I really just wanted to get the regular kind of mousse. So I have that. And then I got my dog a piggy, because a cow. A cow. It kind of looks like a pig. Little plush, and honestly, this is so cute. Like, oh my god, I love cows. So, and we have a lot of cows where we live, so I wanted to get a cow because I thought it was really cute. So I got a cow. It does look like a pig though. Then the next thing I got is I got this little bunny rabbit. It's for cats, and it's really cute. They had different, like, they had another kind of style, and I went to the other kind of style, but they didn't sell it. But I just got this because I thought it was like really cute. So yeah, it'll be like really big for him since he's a kitten, but it's adorable. I love it. And then I also got him this little Bodie. So it squeaks. Let's see. You pull the thing out. Now that's cute. So I have that. And then for my other cat that I have, I got her this cute little bunny. I have the raccoon in this version, and she was playing with it when I unwrapped it. So I decided to get her one as well. So I got her a bunny rabbit because I thought the bunny was cute. And again, it does that, and it's super cute. And then I also got her this Christmas crazy little feather ball. I wanted to get my little kitten one too, but I think he would just like rip it to shreds. And she is still a kitten. My other cat is still a kitten as well, but my other cat, he's really, really tiny. He's actually over here. I don't know if I can grab him. Come here. See? Look how tiny he is. So that's Midnight. My other cat, she's not even a year old yet, but she is like kind of getting to a full-size cat. So yeah, so I got her this. I think she's gonna love it, and it rattles. So that is what I got from Chewy. I think it's really cute. And Midnight's going after the boulder already. He's not supposed to see that. But the stuff is just super cute. I really, really like this. So yeah, that bow's gonna keep going off. So I'm gonna show you guys the other stuff I got from Chewy as well. So I got this mouse thing. It had a elf hat on it, but I actually took it off because it had glue like on it, and it just like, it didn't look well made at all. I was kind of disappointed of it, but I think this was cute, so I just sewed it up. I actually did take the sequel out of it because I thought it would just be cute as a little plush, you know, for nighttime play. So it's super cute. And then I got 2 other things. I got this. This is the raccoon that I got. Very cute. I love raccoons, so I want to get him a raccoon one. And then this is the snowman I got, which is so cute. That is so cute. That's going to drive me crazy in the nighttime, but I think this is adorable. And he is looking at it. And then this is the sound, and then the little elf hat that I took apart. So yeah, and I did have, like I said, I did have a reindeer mouse that was very disappointing. That's downstairs, so I currently don't have that up here because we keep my kitten in this room because he's really little. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked and enjoyed. Comment what kind of pets you have. I have a black cat. His name is Midnight, and then I also have a turtle seal named Sally Gale, and then I have a silver lab named Bella. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching.